Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Switch account on Facebook. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your Facebook account. And then just head over to the three lines icon. And then scroll here. And here you will be able to see the Switch account option right here. So if we want to just delete it, we just need to log out from here first. Once we log out, let me show you. I'm logging out. Once I log out, there is another option of my another account that if I want to just log in. So if I want to delete it, all I need to do is just to click on the three dot icon on the upper right corner, and there comes remove profiles from this device option. Just tap on it and then remove that specific account you just want to remove, and then just by then your Switch account option will be deleted. As I don't want to just remove my one, I'm not removing. So if you want to do, you can just go for it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.